Okay, welcome back to my new video on variables. So let me jump right into my IDE, and I'm going to create a new folder or directory called variables. And within that variable, I'm going to create our main Go file. I'm going to call it main. As simple as that. And let me increase the font a little bit to, let's say, 33. Okay, good. All right. Okay, I think that's good. So every Go application has three main parts: the package, the import, and then the main function. So I'm going to import our usual FMT, import FMT. And then within the main function, I'm going to declare a string variable. Okay, so I'm going to start by typing var. So I'm going to call it name, and then call it dollars. Let me remove the brackets. Okay, and then it says it's what is unused. That's why you see this thing, this red thing under it. Okay, so I could have, let me declare another variable, call it last name, and then call it Joe. Okay. Okay, so this is another way of declaring variables in Go. This is the second type. And then the last type, I'm going to call it middle name. Okay, let me just make this first name, last name, middle name, and then I call it Doe. Says unused reference. Okay, so these are the three different ways of declaring variables in Go. So I'm going to print out all this. The first name concatenate with the last name Okay, let me do the middle name first. Middle name. And then the last name. So as you can see, all the red line is gone. So if I run this, you will see we have Dallas, Doe, and Joe. Okay, so this is the three possible ways that you want to declare your string variables. It could be an integer, it could be a float, it could be a Boolean, whatever you want to declare. So let's try other examples of declaring other types. Okay, so I'm going to declare an integer. I'm going to call variable a, comma b, and then all integers. And then this is 20, and then this is 50. It's declared but not used. That's why you see this a red line under it. So I can now print these two variables a, comma b. And then probably I can also do a times b, which is also allowed. So if I run this, so you can see it's what, 1,000. So 20 times 50 is 1,000. And then the A is 20, and then B is 50. So that is how you declare variables. We could also declare the variable of this type. Maybe of a Boolean type. So let me do var yes is equal to true. And then we want to print yes. Okay. So I think this is how you want to print the true. And then maybe a float. Let me also declare a float example, maybe at the top, var price. It's a float 64. And then I'm calling it 250.99. So I can print price. Yeah, so this is how you declare variables using GoLang. Okay, the var keyword, the variable name, the type, and then you assign it the value. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.